So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you one of the best ways that can help you earn money through freelancing. So why freelancing? Because freelancing is one of the best thing you can do in this world, because through freelancing you can work at your own time. Yeah, you can work from anywhere and you can charge according to your value, your time, your skills, or depending on your service or your product. So this is why freelancing is one of the best thing you can do in this world. So if not, you can just comment me if I'm wrong. And also, like guys, if you are a college student or you are a teenager or you're just someone who is looking for a side earning, if yes, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because this is for you, especially for you guys. So hello friends, my name is Bhavesh Wag, an aspiring entrepreneur right now helping different people to build their online business and help them grow through social media, loves to travel and explore new things daily. So let's get started into this video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you all real ways, my self-tested ways that are helping me to earn money. So you can at least earn like 20,000, 30,000 or 40,000 a month or maybe more. So guys, the number one way and the best way that can help you earn money is through social media marketing. So guys, all brands and businesses know the worth of social media presence, that how they can scale up their business through having a social media presence. So first you need to understand what is social media marketing. So let me help you. So social media marketing is like, you have a brand or business, you just help them manage their all social media accounts, help them make content, use strategies. Like if you doing on Instagram, you need to know the strategies and algorithms, like how this content works on Instagram, how the content works on like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and there are more such social media platforms. So you can just do is first learn what is social media marketing. So just go on Google and YouTube and search for social media marketing free courses. So there are bunch of free courses where you can learn from. So just do is like first learn that social media marketing, just first trial and error on yourself or your family business or your friend business, or you can just trial and error. And like guys, one like bonus tip, one of the best way to crack social media marketing is like, just go on Google, search for brands and businesses in your local area or in your city, and just go to them, pitch your service, and just add this one thing. Like you will just say them, you will give a 1 month free trial, like you will give a free trial of service of social media marketing to their brand and service. So if they like your service, if they see some results, then they will continue with you. If not, then you will just do is like exit that client and start finding new client. This is how you can first make some of your portfolio and do have some experience as well. So this is one of the best way to crack social media marketing. So guys, now going to the second way, which is graphic designing. So guys, graphic designing industry is a big industry now. So there are many sub niches in graphic designing. Like you can choose video editing, you can choose photo editing, you can use like a YouTube thumbnail, banner post, you can do festival post as well. Then we have like many bunch of softwares which you can learn and start giving services. So you can even make like vector arts, you can make brand identity for some brands and like businesses. So this is one of the best thing. And even you can just lose, if you don't have any knowledge in graphic designing but you want to go with graphic designing and you don't have that time to learn those softwares that look like premium softwares, you can just do is use Canva. So guys, Canva is one of the best and the free tool only for non-designers who don't have knowledge in designing. And also you can just use Canva, where will get everything. You will get video editing free templates, you will get Instagram free templates, you make a logo over there, you can even now make websites over there. So guys, Canva is one of the best way. You can use Canva and just go on like 5 freelancing websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and many platforms. There you can just go put out your like portfolio, like just make some portfolio of yourself and then put out over there, and you can start selling those services. So this is one of the best way and the easy way to start. Like instantly you can start this. You can just go to canva.com, just explore that Canva. Even you can just go on YouTube, you don't even need to watch videos. But if you want to like master Canva, and you can go on YouTube or Google and then search for some like free guide or courses of Canva designing. So this is one of the best way and the easiest way, guys. So guys, now going to the third way, which is Facebook ads and Google ads. So guys, every business doesn't have like time to go for the organic marketing, so they just chooses inbound marketing, which is like running ads for their businesses and doing advertising and all. So you can just do is learn Facebook marketing, because guys, Facebook marketing is one of the best marketing in the world right now. So you can just do is go on Google, go on YouTube, search for free courses of Facebook ads, Google ads, and ads. There are many more ads you can explore. So you can just do is first go on Google, search for free courses. There are, again, you will get a bunch of free courses. So just learn and start them. Again, the best way to crack Facebook ads and Google ads is like go to your local go to Google, search for local businesses and brands, just go pitch your service and add this one sentence, which is like you will give a free 1 month trial. But here you don't need to like give it totally free. You will just say them, pitch them like whatever sales you get through this like running ads, and through whichever sales you will get, you will just take like 5% out of that. You will say like I will not charge any extra, I will just take 5%, so that the brands knows that he's gonna put out some profits, gonna get you some profits, because even you want to charge like your 5%. So that's for sure. So this is how you can make trust, portfolio and your client base as well. So guys, moving forward to the next way that can help you earn money, which is through copywriting. So again guys, copywriting is also one of the biggest industry. So in copywriting there are many sub niches, like you can do SEO copywriting, you can do digital marketing copywriting, where you can just do is you have to choose a topic and you have to write content on that topic. So you can just do is go choose any brand or business, and you can just start making content for them. So like they have a product but they don't know how to make a content on their social media to promote their business. So here you come up and help them with making those content. So again guys, you can just go on Google or YouTube, search, start finding like free courses of copywriting, and you will get bunch of courses, free courses, and you can do is like just make and just learn what is copywriting, and you can just start providing service. Again, if you want to crack the copywriting clients, then you can just again do is go to any local business or brand or business in your city, just say them that pitch your service, and again just add this word like I will give you a 1 month free trial. So if they like your service, they will go forward. If they don't like, you can just move forward to our next client. So this is how you can first build up an experience and build some portfolio of your client base. Again guys, just a bonus way related to copywriting, just a bonus way you can also do like doing transcript jobs, you can do data entry jobs, or you can even write subtitles for videos. So you can just have seen many YouTube videos where you get like subtitles below the video. So here you come up like there are many there are many YouTubers, here are YouTubers. So there are many YouTubers who are looking for subtitle writers. So they just do is hire a subtitle writer, where they just need to do is convert their video into a text or convert it into some another language like Hindi, English, Tamil, German, or any French. It could be any language they choose for. So you can just do is go find some YouTubers who are in the target of like 1k subscribe 1000 subscribers to 5000 subscribers, or like 5000 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers, because they are the ones who are in the need of hiring people for like graphic design. Even graphic design, you can choose this industry like 1000 followers to 10,000 followers. You can just go and pitch them your services. So this is one of the best way. So guys, now going to the last and the best way, which is drop service. So guys, this drop service suggestion you will only get from me on only my YouTube channel. So I bet you will get only on my YouTube channel. So this is why I said this is an exclusive content. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss this exclusive and unique content. So now going to the drop service. So guys, what is drop service? Like if you don't have time to learn any skills, like any skill, you don't have time to work for this skill, as you have like assignments, attendance, and even you have your college studies. So if you don't want to go this, you can just do is hire a freelancer. You can just outsource that things. Like you just need to do is hire a freelancer. Like it's just don't need to hire, you just need to find people who do all these services like copywriting, social media marketing, graphic designing, and all those bunch of things that are you can provide. So you have to just do is go on social media platforms, or like just go on freelancing platforms. Like you can choose many freelancing platforms. One of the best is LinkedIn. So just go on LinkedIn, find clients who are looking for these services. So you have to just do is just bring that client and connect that with the freelancer. So you just do is that freelancer will do all that work, and you have to just do is connect them. So he will do the work, all the work, and he will do the task, he will manage the client. So here you can just do is take commission like 10%, 20%, 15%, or maybe more depending on you. So this is one of the best ways. So just an example, like I am a web developer, so you can just do is go on this freelancing website, search for clients who are looking for these services. So you can just do is just connect them with me, and this is how I will give you like 10 to 15% commission on this. So I also have a good portfolio in web designing. So this is why even it will help you to find clients very easily. So if you want to go forward with me in drop service, then you can just drop me an email at bhaveshwag@nosites.in. So even you can connect with me on any social media platform. You can just connect me over there, and then I will explain you all the things in drop service and in my agency. So guys, I also run an agency called as nosites.in, where I provide bunch of services like social media marketing, web development, digital marketing, graphic designing, everything I provide over there. It is a digital agency. So guys, comment down like which is one of the best way and which you are gonna go forward with. And also if you want this exclusive content and unique such type of unique content, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, signing out, the Bhavesh Wag. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.